For my next video, I'd like to do one on how to hide or unhide sensitive words on your Samsung device, Samsung tablet. And this goes way back to the S20 probably, and a lot of the older Samsung tablets will have it this way. It might be in a different section, but this is the gist of it. So if you've ever gotten a text from somebody and it says one letter and then dash dash or asterisk asterisk, the stars, they have on hide offensive words. I'm a pretty colorful kind of person, and I really don't care if the words are on or off, so I turn mine off. So let's get into this, how to do this. So of course, go into settings and then go down to advanced features, and then go into general management, then click on your keyboard that you have. I have Samsung keyboard settings. Then scroll down and you want voice input, and there it is, hide offensive words. So you have it on or off. So that's basically how to fix any of those stars and asterisks that you'll get when you receive a text from somebody, primarily just a text. I don't think it works in email. I know it's a text feature, so that will stop not receiving. If you turn that off, like I have it set, that will stop receiving asterisks. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.